Ah, so it's cold, it's wet, but we're going for a ride. Because we can. I'm steaming up. Whee! Oh, my neck's a bit sore today. Oh, lovely and wet, lovely and wet. Trying out the new levers. RSTs, woo! Ah! People looking at us like we're crazy fools in this weather. We're meant to be like this, by the way. Planned to go out, and now it's just diabolical. But I'm not gonna let it stop me! Woo! It's been a while, it's been a while. Alright. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head, he couldn't get up in the morning. Look at this fresh roundabout. Whoa, so I'm slipping. Ooh, gotta be careful. Tarmac. Ooh, smells. Look at us sorting out these drains. He's going up. We're sorting them out. This bike is scary in the wet. Bum 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 bum.